Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll quickly show you how to add a call to action in Hubspot step by step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action in Hubspot. So in order to do that, first head over to the marketing and then locate CTAs. If it's not available, you can also search right here under the search bar and proceed to search right here for Playbook and find it right here under the apps. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in there, you can see the call to actions that you currently have on Hubspot. If you don't have one yet, you can either create with AI or use templates available right here. So in this case, let's create right here from scratch. We can also choose from templates that we have. In my case, let's head over and choose this slide in. Once you have done that, it will open the content for this. This will be the animation for this slide in. Now for this case, you just need to design it how you want it to appear. You can add audios, change the headings, update the image, and modify the link associated with it. Once you're done, save your CTA and add it to your page, blog post, or email using the editor. Distribute and publish when ready. So that's all there is today. If this helped, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Hubspot tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.